So hello students, the BitSat session 2 has finally started and 25th May का जो shift 1 है that is already over. So let's do a very quick analysis of 20 shift May shift 1. A lot of students found session 2, specifically 25 May shift 1, very tough than the shift 1, the session 1. Significant score drop. A lot of students reported a lot of score drops. Generally ऐसा होता है कि session 2 में people generally tend to improve their scores, but a lot of students actually found that their scores dropped. So we have Kunal sir with us. So sir, can you tell us ki how was the overall pattern?
So overall, many students reported कि sir, it was very lengthy paper, and there were questions. In fact, in the chemistry, that was the main highlight of this paper. That became the villain in this paper. Actually, very fact-heavy questions were asked. Students were not prepared at that level. In fact, कितना भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर लो, वियर्ड क्वेश्चंस इस लेवल के अगर आ जाएंगे तो बच्चों को शॉक बहुत गंदा लगेगा पेपर में. And physics, many students said it was not that tough actually, but due to the conceptually heavy questions, many students were not mentally prepared about that, and that is where they got stuck. Maths had time consuming questions. Question tough नहीं थे बिल्कुल भी. बड़ी अच्छी बात बच्चों ने जो बोली कि सर क्वेश्चन तो almost every other question I was able to solve, but because it was time consuming, I was not able to get time to even go to the bonus section or the tough questions of chemistry that they left. English LR में overall LR was figure based जैसा सेशन 1 में है. बहुत ज्यादा कुछ LR में डिफरेंस नहीं आया, but English में there was a surprise कि no synonym antonym was asked. So Kushal, you can tell students about the detailed analysis of physics now.
Yeah, so physics was very unexpected. जो normally BitSat में जैसा पूछा जाता है वैसा नहीं था. It was slightly different. Moderate to tough category में students are reporting कि physics was there. Students found it trickier than JEE mains. ठीक है, when we conducted BitSat Open का session 2 तब भी बच्चे बोल रहे थे कि यार ये तो JEE main से भी tough आ गया है ना, ऐसा पेपर नहीं होता. But then again you can see कि यार पहला ही shift 25th May का students are reporting कि यार they found it even trickier than JEE mains. Significantly more conceptual. The paper was very concept driven. ऐसा नहीं कि बस formula लगाया and answer आ गया. A lot of people when they think about BitSat, they think that the questions are very easy or like बस formula लगा के answer आ जाएगा, but it is not true. So वही देखा गया, the paper was very concept heavy. अगर तुम्हारा concept clear नहीं है अच्छे से, so you won't be able to solve the questions properly. ठीक है, so 11th and 12th almost had equal weightage and मल्टीपल स्टूडेंट्स रिपोर्टेड यार इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म एंड एसी से काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे एंड काफी सारे वियर्ड क्वेश्चंस भी अपीयर्ड, जैसे कि एज यू कैन सी YDSC आस्किंग फॉर अ वेवलेंथ यूजिंग ओनली द स्पीड ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो इस टाइप के काफी वियर्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे ओवरऑल, सो मेकिंग फिजिक्स अ लॉट मोर आई वुड से डिफरेंट देन अ कन्वेंशनल पेपर.
Now in the chemistry, just highlight जो हम बोल रहे हैं chemistry. See, the session 1 chemistry had more organic heavy papers. In this specific paper, organic was there, but inorganic के theoretical questions were also asked, जो बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाते हैं याद रखवाना in the paper. Physical chemistry as usual was calculative and time बहुत खा रहा था. यहाँ पे भी हुआ कि like we gave some questions in the mocks as well that were very calculation heavy, and students were saying sir ये तो JEE advanced level का है. There were few questions in this paper that were very tricky, but they are meant to be left in the paper बच्चे. That is the learning you should take if you are going to give the next shifts. Factual questions थे, traps थे, जैसे specific color of iron. Generally क्या होता है, iron they give you. Here they were giving the configuration. पहले उधर से decode करो कौन सा आयन होगा, क्या बनेगा, अब उसका क्या कलर होगा. So very weird. It is very difficult to do this in the paper. So I will recommend you to skip these questions. Deleted syllabus came, but less questions came as compared to the general consensus that was for the session 1. Now coming to the maths में क्या था, time trap was there, lengthy questions were asked, बच्चे बता रहे थे, but easy questions थे overall. But calculus and vectors had the highest weightage in this paper. फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में हम लोग ने देखा कि कैलकुलस में डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस का स्पेसिफिक पार्ट कुछ डोमिनेट कर रहा था. सम फंक्शंस के क्वेश्चन एंड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस के क्वेश्चंस वर डोमिनेटिंग. हियर दैट मेंटेन्ड द ट्रेंड, बट 3D ज्योमेट्री सडनली पॉप्ड अप. एंड LPP के जो पहले हम 4-5 क्वेश्चंस देख रहे थे, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 ही हमें क्वेश्चन पूछे गए इन दिस स्पेसिफिक मैथ्स पेपर. Let's see what will happen in the coming papers, but I will recommend you कि अगर 60 minutes में maths नहीं हो रहा था तो उसको छोड़ देना था and next sections पे move on करना था. Students, do not spend 90 minutes directly on maths in this paper.
Lastly, talking about English and LR, mostly this section was doable. It was easy only, but the different part was कि English में there were no synonyms and antonyms as students have reported. Instead, questions from sentence rearrangement, subject verb agreement, weird idioms के questions, इस type के questions काफी सारे पूछे गए थे. LR was pretty much like session 1. A lot of figure folding, embedded figures, water images, इस type की visual representation, non-verbal टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं एलआर में, दैट वाज सीन एज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ सेशन 1. सो वी हैड ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड अवर जो लास्ट के मॉक्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. सो यू मस्ट हैव सॉल्व्ड अ लॉट ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड जिन्होंने भी ढंग से प्रैक्टिस करी होगी, इट वाज अ प्रीटी easy English and LR section for you. So yeah, this was the analysis of 25th May shift 1. अगर तुम्हारा शिफ्ट आगे आने वाला है तो प्रिपेयर प्रॉपरली मेंटली, क्योंकि बाकी सारी चीज़ें तो प्रिपेयर हो चुकी है, बट मेंटली काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज एनीथिंग कैन हैपन ऑन दी अपकमिंग शिफ्ट्स एज वेल. सो पढ़ते रहो, अच्छे से पेपर दो, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, एंड साथ में फोड़ेंगे.